So anything which is above letter and large letter, it is normally cheaper to send with parcel to go. I will leave their discount link inside the description. You will normally get a really good price using that discount link. So what they do, they compare the prices between DPD, Every, TNT, UPS, FedEx, which are dealing with the bigger parcel. So each and every thing is there. The reason I use Parcel to Go, not directly go to a Hermes website or DPD, because Parcel to Go gives you a free option to connect your eBay account, and just like Royal Mail Click and Drop, it automatically dispatches the order, it uploads the tracking number, and it's really save times. So in order to do that, you have to just come down on their website right here. First, you just sign up using like if even if I sign out from here, signing up is completely free. Just click on sign in. If you don't have an account, just simply create an account, and then you will be able to simply sign in to their website. Once you come there, first thing again, you will have to connect to your eBay store. So you come down on their page and click on eBay, and just like Royal Mail Click and Drop, they will ask you to sign into your eBay account, and this will get connected. So next time, once you will come to the Parcel to Go website, you just simply go on to Smart Send, because you already have your account linked with it already. So once you click on Smart Send, and then what it gonna do, it gonna pull up all the orders which are coming from your eBay store, and then you will just simply apply the postage, generate the label. And then with this one, for example, you printed the label through Hermes, which is Every now. Then you can just simply look where is the local drop off for Hermes. Then you just drop your parcels there. If it's DPD, just check your local drop off. So you can just simply check that onto these websites. So what I'm gonna do is, if I go to, let's say, Hermes, no, they are Every now. They are cheaper for the parcels, so that's why I use that a lot. Local drop off. So you go there onto their website. If it was DPD, just do DPD local drop off. Put your postcode. For example, I put E178AZ, and then it will tell you, okay, this is where you can simply drop it. You go in there, give the parcel to them, they will give you the receipt. That's it. If it was DPD, that's how with the DPD work as well. So that's pretty much everything covered about the postage of those particular items.